Hi there! Have you ever found yourself struggling to choose the perfect gift for your employees, clients, or loved ones? It can be time-consuming and resource-intensive to find the best option that balances quality, price, and individual preferences. That's why we created Giftpack, to make corporate gifting easy and efficient. The link between client satisfaction and loyalty to your company is clear, as it is with employees. Happy employees often perform better. Corporate gifts serve as an excellent way to show appreciation to your employees, clients, and partners. It's a gesture that demonstrates how much you value the relationship and your commitment to maintaining it. By giving thoughtful and personalized gifts, you can nurture and strengthen your business relationships while building long-term loyalty. With Giftpack, you no longer have to deal with the headaches of managing a gifting campaign. We ensure that your recipients receive the best personalized gifts possible. Can't wait to demonstrate to you the magic of Giftpack in action. Thank you for watching. You can check out more helpful videos below.